This is the story of Doug, and how Doug ended up being a surprisingly heroic hero of the H2O, saving thousands of gallons of water. One fateful day, Doug found himself in the dairy section of the store. He stared deep into the case, right at the conventional dairy milk. What he saw surprised him greatly. There were cows. Lots and lots of cows, surrounded by endless fields of feed corn. Sprinklers released a torrent of water onto the fields as far as the eye could see. Whoa, how much water does each dairy cow use over its life? Don't they know how precious this fresh, fabulous, drinkable water is? Then, he glanced over at the silk in the case nearby. Of course, silk is made from plants, a completely cow-free endeavor. Suddenly, Doug understood how he saved 500 gallons of water every time he chose silk instead of milk. Just 1/2 gallon saves at least 500 gallons of water, and if he drank 4 of those a month, that's 2,000 gallons of saved water. And with 12 months in a year, that means 24,000 gallons. Surely he was destined for greatness, and if not greatness, at least he would treat himself to something delicious. But in fact, he had already done that every single week this year.